Shay Smith is live at the courthouse now and has more on the final testimony in the penalty phase.
Today was probably one of the hardest, if not the hardest day for the jury. Sergeant Johnson's wife and their son both giving their victim impact statements. His wife started her testimony by saying it's been 643 days since she's been without Craig and since her boys have been without their father. She went on to say her boys are not only suffering from the trauma of their father being murdered, but also how violent the murder was. She says she is impacted by his murder every minute of every day. During her testimony, Ware kept his head down for the most part and would only briefly look up at Sergeant Johnson's wife. A couple of the jurors had tears in their eyes. Some would glance over at Ware. Then one of Sergeant Johnson's sons gave his statement. His son says he misses being able to talk to his dad, and the last thing his father said to him was, "I love you," as they were hanging up the phone. This afternoon, the defense called Ware's mother and a friend to the stand. His mother testified about the difficult life Ware had while growing up. She says he has a daughter who was born after he was arrested, and he's never met her but would like to have a relationship with her. The state and defense both rested their case late this afternoon. However, as the jury was leaving, one juror asked to be excused from service. The judge met with the attorneys privately about that. We expect to find out tomorrow if the juror will be excused or not, but there are two alternates. Now the jurors will meet back tomorrow around 10:30. They will hear jury instructions and then they will hear closing arguments from both sides. Then they will decide his sentencing. They could sentence him to death or they could sentence him to life in prison with or without the possibility of parole. Live at the Tulsa County Courthouse, Shay Smith, 2 News Oklahoma.